Chief nkem. Nwoke mara mma ihe ya ama mma. Onyere ụmụ ogbenye aka. Nwoke ọma. Chief ọ ga-adịrị gị na mma. N'aka niile ị na-enyere ụmụ ogbenye n'obodo anyị. Chukwu ga-agọzi gị, Chief, o nwekwara n'ihe m jiri bịa bụrụ nchọ gị nya fụrụ m gasị na ịbatabi. Ekene dịrị Chukwu na m hụrụ gị n'ụzọ ugbu a.
Ọ coincident.
Iji ya na-akpọ ya. Chief, biko. Abịara m ka ibinyetụ m ego biko. Even landlord m na-achụpụ m n'ụlọ. Igote nwude kaadị wee tinye na fonu sọskraịbụ onene ụmụ ihe ndị anyị na-eme na soshal midia. Chief aha m ego nni ọnụ. Chief biko, onye ọbụla ọha biko chọtụrụ nwanne gị ma nwụ biko.
Chọtụrụ gị Maggi. Ka m titụrụ gị aka. Ihe ọma dị mma.
Eziokwu.
Onye na-enye mmadụ ka Chukwu na-enye. And it's not good. What is the measure you use to others is what will be used to you. What I'm na-enyere ndị mmadụ aka ọ gwekwara sị arụkwe na nke m si nyere m aka ọ wee aka.
Eziokwu.
M nyere gị aka. Ịwa amụsụ. Maka Chineke kere m na gị na ịwa amụsụ. I never know say here and shame go gree you stand for you stop me even to talk to you. So if I bring money now I give you go collect. No, don't tell me to bring down my ịgwakwala mgbetu obi maka mgbetu obi gị da like m. Nwege wuru obi nwa ya okwu ya otu ọ ga-adị gị very hot than m tiri n'ọkụ n'ọkụ ebe afọ. You just last week Ichi Odinkoneme called you sị gị na ịma Chief Imo. Anọrọ m sị na etu ka gị na ya guzo ọ sị gị nye ya nọmba m enwere program a chọrọ inye m ka m bịa ankọ. Nne m ọkwa gị werere nọmba onye ọzọ kọwa na ihe kọrọ n'isi m kọju ebe niile were nọmba another person nye ha. Ọ bụ onye ọzọ gara aga n'ọrụ ahụ yesterday. Nye ahụ ka m fụrụ dama na airport ya na-akọrọ m ihe ote gị na ya na-abụsiri ga na ego akọlọ gị bịawazie bịakwute m onye ahụ i nyere ọrụ ahụ ọnwụọla eme n'eberi ala. You see, we people of the earth. Nobody will stand it. You have the mouth, you have the effrontery, you have the guts to come to me to ask for money. To ask for money. Meanwhile, you gave the work that's supposed to be given to me. You directed it to another person. And you open your mouth shamefully. You came to collect money from me. I'm ashamed of you. They know that you wouldn't come near home. Hello, Tirio, my brother. On those so cheap, no be a bomb. The program knows of Sonyoko. Have I any more have happens or just on your buria? Not that the Hasakan Jahamiana he coco. Undo me a bomb. I won't allow them. We are the cause of Alibadi. If you will leave your dirty and evil heart and then turn around and begin to do right thing, God will bless you. Now, every dog is taken at Tifimono. Allow the Gachipugulo. Abuku dog and wagam. Every jazz, every ambulance, every good log, one of them. Dan there, another cheap. Karamba wishing and then wagam. Abuku dog. I will bring the money and give to you. From which pocket? Money will hear my better. I'm the gay diverted to another person. Onya hofu onya hinye worry about. Gay koto shamo. And we heard them ready. Have we quarreled before? Of course, I know. Come on, get job. Onya hinye gahuna, onya hinye, iwele, direct I had to. Guinea comedy. Okay, they go corrogate. You go sneak up on your hand, Nabicon, our ebony megabate. Or a grana, lie number, no. Ego Marco, gay upon him, the landlord that you plan. You now come to chiefimocomedylatest. It's not bad to ask me for money. It's not bad at all. It's not even bad for my brother or my sister to go for that job. It's not bad. But the manner in which you diverted it, that is bad. What you wouldn't want people to do to you, don't do it to another. We will end up achieving nothing at the end of the day. But if only we can embrace Christ and then live with truth and let truth and love lead us. I'm not angry with you. I'm just trying to remind you. Yeah, I couldn't name it all the time, but it's not affecting me. I am still moving forward. Did it stop me? That very day, if I had two jobs, 2, 1 in the afternoon and 1 in the evening. So what do you have from now? Blessings of God make it rich and added no sorrow. Your own keep adding sorrow to you because you are a sorrowful personality. But if only you can open your heart and live like one farmer, because you just disappointed me. I am so ashamed of you. My own person. Anything. Heaven is watching. No, let it continue. Because Elenda. Keep on spoiling your name. You think you are doing Chifimo. Forward ever and backward never. Not even you can stop my shine. Or your enemies. Thousands of you cannot stop me. Because you never brought me to where I am. God bless me there. And I shall remain there. I will keep moving forward. Whether you like it or not. For the fact I have never stopped anybody from moving forward. Nobody will stop me. But the day I will try stopping people from moving forward, that is the day every of your evil agendas will be effective in me. But as far as I have always tried to push people, carry people along, show people the way. On your faces, it has been my anthem, and I keep singing it, and it's working for me. So please, continue. Keep on stopping. For your mind, wow.
Chief, be on.
Hallelujah.